Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Golf Mk7 headlight. First, gather your tools, like a T25 Torx driver and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is off and the parking brake is on for safety. Then, open the hood and find the headlight unit you need to replace. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Now, let's get that headlight out. You'll find two T25 Torx screws on top of the unit. Carefully remove those. Once the screws are out, gently pull the headlight forward a few inches. This gives you enough space to reach the electrical connector at the back. Press the release tab and disconnect the main electrical plug. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are amazing. You can find the link for darn tough socks and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the headlight unit free, you can now access the bulb. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to remove the old bulb. Carefully insert your new bulb, making sure it's seated correctly in the holder. Then, reconnect the main electrical plug and slide the entire headlight unit back into its original position, aligning it properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.